Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Are you looking to turn off Immersive Reader in Outlook? While it's a helpful feature for focused reading, sometimes you simply want to view your emails in the standard format. Here's how to disable it, whether it's currently active or you want to prevent it from opening automatically in the future. If you are presently viewing an email in Immersive Reader mode, look for the Exit Immersive Reader icon. This icon often resembles a door with an arrow, or you might see a close button in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will immediately return you to the traditional email view. To stop Outlook from automatically opening messages in Immersive Reader, the process differs slightly for the desktop application versus Outlook on the web. For the Outlook desktop app, navigate to File, then Options. From the left menu, select Email. Scroll down until you find the Immersive Reader section. You will see a checkbox labeled Open Messages in Immersive Reader automatically. Uncheck this box. Then, click OK to save your preferences. If you use Outlook on the web, such as Outlook.com, click the Settings gear icon in the upper right. Select View All Outlook settings at the bottom. Proceed to Email, and then Message Handling. Scroll until you reach the Immersive Reader section. Uncheck the option that states Open All Messages in Immersive Reader. It is important to click Save to apply these new settings. With these adjustments, your emails should now consistently open in the regular view, preventing Immersive Reader from activating automatically.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.